Experts agree that young people across America are in a mental health crisis. Some point the finger at cell phones and social media. In response, more and more states are trying to get those addictive devices out of children's hands during school hours. Medical reporter Lorie reports on this national move that's gaining momentum.
Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin ordered public schools across the state to go cell phone free by January to promote a healthier and more focused educational environment. One national study found 97% of kids use their cell phones during school hours. Another revealed nearly 3/4 of high school teachers believe phones are a major distraction after seeing students watch Netflix, gambling online, and glued to social media.
So giving kids access to something where they can have 24/7 interaction with their peers is kind of the worst thing we want to do, especially if it's distracting them from schoolwork.
Experts point out kids' brains don't fully develop until their 20s.
Based on the science, we know that there's no such thing as multitasking. We all engage in task shifting. So having a phone in the class requires a lot of task shifting, which kids are not able to do as well as adults.
Last year, Florida became the first state to ban cell phones at school. Indiana and Ohio passed similar legislation. Oklahoma, Vermont, Kansas, Utah, and New York may follow suit.
We know that we've already lost too many kids, or kids that are spiraling for a long time now.
Some schools are divided over whether kids should surrender their phones only during class but have them in between classes, at lunch, and during other free times, or whether they should give up their phone the entire day. In that instance, some parents worry about being unable to contact their child, a concern others downplay.
When we were growing up, our parents didn't have constant access to us.
Even in the worst-case scenario of a school shooting, some experts say it's better for kids to be without their phones.
Constant notifications and dings that are coming through from family trying to check on their student might alert the assailant to where they are. And also it jams emergency signals.
So while many believe smartphones should be removed from the classroom, not everyone agrees on the best way to do that. Lorie Johnson, CBN